Hola, personas en la interweb. Today we're gonna make some vegetable stock. I'm Chef Cash White, and I'm here today because God has delivered me from my circumstances and put me in a place where I can share my love of cooking with you. I know what everyone's asking right now is, where do all the little pieces of vegetable go that Chef Cash White's been using to cook with? Well, let me show you. Big old bowl like this, and we're gonna use it to make vegetable stock. Vegetable stock is something you can purchase at the grocery store if you like, you know, a couple bucks gets you a little box of it, and it's good, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. You're gonna see today how easy it is to make all of this, and so you have all these little extra pieces, you might as well use it. If you take a look in here, I just have the ends and pieces of some onions, tomatoes, got some cilantro, I got some celery, got all kinds of stuff in here. All we're gonna do is we're gonna get a pot. Ta-da! We're gonna pour all this into the pot. We're gonna fill the pot with water. And we're gonna take this guy, set it over here. We're gonna bring this to a boil. We're gonna turn it down to a simmer, let it go for 2 to 3 hours. Once that's done, we're gonna strain the vegetables out, and we have our own little broth. All right, so we've had the chicken stock on for about 2.5 hours. It's time to strain it. It smells delicious. Take a look down in there. You've noticed it's reduced by about 15-20%. I'm gonna get the big chunks out in the first strain. Get all that nice juice off of that. Now you can just throw that away now. It's done with, you've gotten all the flavor out of it, so that's gonna be about it. All right, so when you're straining it, if you have a fine strainer, something with a mesh kind of like this, you can use that. If not, it's fine to leave it like this. We've got all the big chunks out, we have this beautiful color. You can use this to build soups, you can use it to cook rice. It's a great alternative to using just plain old water. So there's a couple of different ways you can store it. You can pour it into a Ziploc baggie and freeze it if you like. You can put it in a Tupperware container and keep it in your fridge. It'll keep for a couple of weeks. If you freeze it, probably up to 6 months. Great to cook with, great to keep on hand. For more tips and tricks and great recipes, click subscribe down below. Also, any comments, concerns, testimonials, leave them down there in the comments section. There's always one thing that's most important, and that's this. Keep the faith. Enjoy the food. Love you guys. God bless. Ta-da! 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 Ta-da!